It's your girl Annitra here. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connects, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. I want to wear this hat so bad in this video, but I think I'm going to do the video without it. It's giving me like a shadow, and I refuse to add any more makeup at 11:23 p.m. Hey girl, hey. So I have a secret I could not wait to share. Come closer. So you saw the thumbnail. You saw what it is. It's January. It's officially my birthday month. It's January the 10th, which means it's not my birthday yet, but here I am, opening my present to myself. Let me tell you why. So, I knew I wanted this item when it was released, but I refused to pay full price for it. It just so happened to be on sale around my birthday month. Coincidence? I think not. So I ordered it at the sale price that this store offered it at. Tell me why. The actual Geiger website has it for under $200. So what we're gonna do, shh girl, shh, don't shh. What we're gonna do is open it and see if we like it. And if we like it, we're going to order it for the under $200 price. And get our coins back. Because we are treating ourselves for our birthday, but also not only is the item the treat, but the extra coins back in our account is also a treat if I ever had one. So without further ado, I'm not gonna say the name of the store, but I'm gonna show y'all the box. That's enough. Alright, y'all see how big this box is, right? Okay. Well, you see the thumbnail, you can see what it is. So if you are interested in seeing my initial reaction to this item, stay tuned. Shh, girl, shh, can't take you nowhere. Shh, you loud. Shh. We are prepared. Y'all, I'm silly. I'm silly. I'm not gonna whisper the whole video. But yes, that's exactly what happened. And the fact that this was literally on sale, coincidentally, I think not. I keep telling y'all, me and this brand, I don't know what it is. But yeah, I always knew I wanted her. I just knew I was never paying full price. I have been spoiled, and I'm familiar enough with the brand to know that I will be able to find it on sale somewhere. Full price is not an option. And so, yes, we are just doing a quick sneak peek. More than likely what I'll do is I'll double back on here and give you guys an update. Oh, these colors, y'all. And the only reason why I'm actually making this video today is because actually this came a couple days ago. The box has been sitting, but I was like, oh, you know what, I should make it today because this blue jewel toned sweatshirt dress, y'all know I like to give a little razzle dazzle. I like to coordinate with the item in the video. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. And then our work carry of the day is this little item right here. Her video was currently available, and so I said, oh, how fitting. Perfection, perfect timing. And so little sneak peek. Let's see what we have here. And as always, I wrote myself a little birthday note. Happy birthday, girl. Enjoy. You deserve it. Yes, I do. But you know what else we deserve, girl? Our coins. We deserve our coins. So we're not going to unwrap her all the way. The original price for this was $3.75. Like I said, immediately no. immediately know. I'm trying not to take off everything, but I just need to see if I want to go through the hassle. So I'm going to unwrap this like a kid on Christmas. Of course, it will be gift wrapped like it was a present. Of course, of course, of course. We don't have enough space for this. Please hold. All right, you're ready to do an unveiling. Oh man. Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, she's beautiful. She is beautiful. Oh yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that tiny eagle head. Why didn't he do this for the XXL Kensington and the rainbow one? Oh my goodness. Yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous, darling. Simply gorgeous. Oh, simply gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. We have made our decision. We just want more of our coins in our pockets to go along with our decision. Yes, honey. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. And so her strips are this color here. And of course she has her silver, pewter, whatever you want to call it, hardware. She is made, oops, wait a minute, we gotta put this back on, Oh, this is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we have made our decision. We have made our decision. And so she is made basically, this is our Soho shopper tote. As you can see here with the smaller eagle head, quilted, luscious, yummy, wonderful leather straps and the little chain accent. Very similarly, same size. I can give you guys more when I officially unwrap her. Y'all, I'm just, yes, I'm so happy I held off. But, oh, she is beautiful. Do you hear me? Get into these colors, y'all. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, so our decision has been made. I will give you guys an update. Girl, watch. You still, girl. I'll talk to y'all later. Hold up, y'all. New development. So as I was repackaging the bag, look at this. Is that missing color? Is that missing metallic? Wait, there's more. Can you see? Wait, you see? The color is rubbing off. And so I guess my concern is, you see how, so my concern is, and I was just quickly reminded, let me grab her, y'all. And it's funny how my life works, because the first time I had, so, okay, so here we are. Y'all remember her? So it's funny that when I realized this bag, as you can see, the metallic is not metallicing as it should be in certain places. When I started using her more, the metallic was rubbing off. I was wearing a summer dress in this exact color. What I'll try to do,
if I can remember what vlog it was. It literally happened summer of 2023. I'll put the thumbnail. Okay, y'all, so Marshall's was a complete bust. I'll probably make another separate video on this bag, but I, have been realizing that the more I carry this bag, y'all, look, y'all see the wear and tear? How the metallic is rubbing off? So, yeah, but I'll probably do an update video on this bag, but I just happened to notice that. And then I need to check and see if the metallic is like on my clothes and stuff. Yep, I see little sparkly things on my dress, y'all. So, in case you were wondering about the XOXO metallic rainbow Kensington. Y'all, but that's pretty much it for now. And then the link to the video in the description so you guys can see. But literally, I was just like, what is all this glittery stuff on my hand? And it was all on the side of my dress. And I happened to realize it was this bag. The metallic was metallicing, just not on the bag. It was metallicing all over me. I was leaving little bits and sparkle wherever I went. And that was because I actually started to use her more. Like, it was a very rare occasion for me reaching for this bag. And then when I reached for her, the metallic started to rub off. And so now that I'm thinking about this whole experience, I'm thinking now, I completely forgot about that, but I'm thinking now, if I choose to use this bag for work or travel, or both, work and or travel, what is this going to look like if I use her multiple times? Is this bag going to be a black mess of where you can kind of see there used to be color there, but it's not, like almost like a scratch off? Like, is it going to look like a scratch off situation where you can kind of see where the silver used to be, but now it's black? Is that what this bag is going to look like if I use her, a couple times? I literally just opened, y'all saw, I literally just opened it. Where is the color going? So with this discovery, y'all, look at this. And that might be why it's so cheaply priced. So the price is so low on the Kurt Geiger website, because they know. Oh, she's so pretty. Well, she has to go back. She's so pretty, but I gotta let her go. Gotta let her go. No, I can't. Not gonna be able to do it. And I really wanted this. I really, really wanted this bag. But I'm just like, do I want this? Listen, child, my camera cut off. That gave me just enough time to put her back in the box, y'all. So she has to go back, because I'm just like, do I really want her to end up looking like this? After just like, me using her once or twice. Like, I literally barely reached for this bag, and then when I was like, you know what, I need to use that bag more. Like, I was so excited about her, but I tried to use her a couple times, and the metallic is just, it's rubbing off. It's rubbing off. And so, yeah, that's crazy how that worked out. Crazy how that worked out. Yeah, I was wearing this exact same color, but in a summer dress. It's wild. But listen, there's no greater gift you can give yourself other than putting money back into your account. And so I guess that'll be my birthday present to myself until I find something else. So what we'll do, because like I said, she's been repackaged, we'll put her here in her stead. She's not even stuffed right now. I just pulled her from my bag shelf. But we're gonna put her here for now. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. If you own the tote bag that I showed you guys, or any of the other Kurt Geiger totes, if you happen to own the work carry of the day, which is the solo shopper tote, or anything similar, let me know in the comments below. I know this style bag also comes, there's like a Kensington version where like the chain is that brass color, and so is the eagle head, and it's quilted like a Kensington bag is quilted. Just let me know what bag do you have, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, notification bell. If you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this video, share it with her, or all of the other content on my channel. If you know she enjoys all things faith and fashion, don't be stingy, don't be a gatekeeper, so she can also click the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.